Hi, I'm Nia Peters, and today we're going to be creating a tornado in a water bottle. All you need is a water bottle and a bowl or bucket, or if you want, you could do this experiment over a sink. What you're going to do is take your palm and the water bottle and create a seal, and then over your bucket or bowl, flip it upside down. Now create a vigorous shaking motion in a sort of like circle like this, and get that going pretty good, and then after a few seconds, let go. And then you'll see here, a tornado is created in the middle. And the bottle drained very quickly. Now, to understand why this happens, we have to think about what is happening when water is leaving the bottle. Not only does water simply leave the bottle, but something needs to replace all that water that left. And what replaces that water is air. So when we do this shaking or sort of circular stirring motion, we are creating something called centripetal force. And that centripetal force is what makes the tornado in the middle happen. This tornado allows water to leave the bottle at the same time as air enters the bottle. And this is why the bottle drains so quickly.